guys!
Hey guys, we want to show you these kids tactical vests here. My son is excited to try them out. They come in a 2-pack, one green and one blue. So they're great for if you have 2 kids or a kid and a friend. It comes with all the stuff you see here except for the gun. So let's open it up and check it out. There's 30 bullets of each color, the vest, the magazine, arm strap to put some bullets in for easy access, protective glasses, and a handkerchief or bandana to put over you to look cool.
There is also a gun holster.
And of course this one has a vest too. The vest holds a whole bunch of bullets, so you don't have to stop and go get more ammo. It's right there on you. This is all Velcro, so one size will fit all. It just comes around and Velcros with these elastic straps. So let's try it out.